Alright, so now that we've done single crochet and double crochet, we're going to learn to do half double crochet. So half double crochet is right in between single crochet and double crochet. It's exactly what it sounds like. It's literally a half double crochet. So if you haven't watched those, I would suggest going back and going and watching those. They're on my channel. I'll have a playlist of how to crochet for beginners, and you can find it all there. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so let's get started on the half double crochet. So first off, we're going to make our slip knot, put it on our hook, and then we're going to chain. So with the half double crochet, normally patterns will tell you how many extra chains you'll need versus how many stitches. So we're going to go ahead and do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains, and then we're going to do 1 extra. I only like to do chain 1 for half double crochet, but you'll just have to check your patterns. So then we're going to yarn over, we're going to insert into the second stitch, second chain from your hook. So there's your first one, second one, insert, yarn over, pull up a loop. You have 1, 2, 3 on here, yarn over, and you're going to pull through all 3 loops. And there you go. That's 1 half double crochet. So we're going to do it again. Yarn over, insert into chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Do it again. Yarn over, insert into chain, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Now we have 1, 2, 3. So we're going to do it again. Yarn over, insert, 4, and 5. So now we're going to double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 half double crochets. So now we're going to chain 1 and turn. Some patterns may say chain 2. I usually say chain 1 for half double crochet. It's mainly just preference, but we're going to just chain 1 for now. So now we're going to yarn over, insert into the first stitch. There's your V, first stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all 3. Yarn over, pull through all 3. Yarn over, insert, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all 3. All right, so there we go. We're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5. We can go up here and look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's your 5 V's. And we did our 2 rows of half double crochet. If you wanted to do another one, chain 1, turn, and start the next one. All right, for now we're going to go on to the next stitch. If you like this, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe. Thanks for watching.